Authorized by you. Minecraft kita survival mode. O, adi na kita. Guys, ay kung pag-subscribe kan Lindon Isiha YouTube. Subscribe ko mga consistent niya pretzels. Guys, kung idol niyo i-dream, kilala ko siya. Maaari nga sa Lindon Isiha alay! Ngawat! Andun sa kung natin yung ubos nito. Okay, kailangan natin yun. Saan natin put this Sigma? So, my god. I'm gonna talk English. Okay, English time. I'm just gonna craft this sword. Craft some sticks like that. Craft some of this sticks like that. Stone. Wait, you know this not Java is just the old version. Not a version of this. If you want to see me play Roblox, smash the like button. And comment what games you wanna me play in Roblox. I'm not good at English because I'm Filipino. Let's jump this. Kaya tayo. Like that. Push this. Put it back. That. Grab some wood. So we can have a lot of wood. And I hope you don't want the night time. Because I don't see any chicken or pigs or pork. Because I'm gonna get hungry later. That's a pig. That's a pig. Just a wood. So pig. Parkour in this place. Because I've been practicing parkour. Oh my god! Building is not land. It's water. If it's land, then dead. Okay, I'm gonna craft some stone tools like this. With a sword. Access like a sword. I'm not a pro Minecraft player. Look like a pro. If you want me to jump in this, comment down below. Because I'm gonna jump in. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, this is so cool. Very cool. Oh, there's a cow. I need this. A bit of food. My god, that's a baby. Let's see this. Stop running! I'm gonna kill you. Some furnace. This convert because the high place we can build up. Let's see if this is cooked. 2 to 1. Okay. Let's do this. 1 minute. I'm following her. I think we should make a boat to get across this ocean. Scrap. Wooden shovel and this output. Get this crafting table. If you succeed, we're gonna get some iron or diamond. Guys, if I see a diamond, you need to subscribe. Guys, I'm gonna cut this video real quick. Guys, it's been but I can find diamond. I don't even need iron because I have a lot of 34 and full armor of iron. Hope we can get some diamond. This does not. It's just I think we should make cutting iron tool. Make one behind. Make shovel. Done. Get some. That's really this so important. Oh, this is added and let's go here. Maybe there's small cave in here. There's iron. Wait. Did I see a diamond? My god, it's not a diamond. I can't believe I found. Yeah, there's a lot. We have 10 diamonds. What? You're so lucky. Diamond chestplate. My god, don't shoot me like that, boy. My god. But this armor is so cool. I think we need a bucket. Oh my god. No, there's a glitch. My game just glitched. This one has I think this one better picture around here. Finally, get out. Oh fuck. I'm gonna get this before I drown. What country? No, no way, no way. Just need some. It's like that. Taking up the water. Right, like that. What? Did I lost all my food? Chicken. Chicken, 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 cooked chicken. But I'm not hungry. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more.